Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fax to the IRS. First, confirm that the IRS accepts faxes for your specific document, as not all forms can be sent this way. Next, find the exact fax number for your particular form or notice. This is crucial for proper delivery. Finally, prepare your documents by ensuring every page is clear and easy to read, which helps prevent processing delays. When preparing your documents, always include a cover sheet. This sheet should clearly state your name, contact information, and a brief reason for sending the fax. Arrange your documents in the correct sequence, usually with the cover sheet on top, followed by the relevant IRS form or notice. Remember to make a complete copy of all pages you intend to fax for your personal records. To send your fax, you can use a traditional fax machine or a convenient online fax service. Double-check the IRS fax number and dial it precisely, ensuring you include any required area codes or prefixes. After the transmission is complete, always wait for a confirmation report. This report verifies that your fax was successfully sent and received by the IRS. Always keep your fax confirmation report in a safe place. It serves as vital proof that your documents were successfully transmitted to the IRS. Be patient, as processing times can vary, so allow sufficient time for the IRS to review your faxed information. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.